Welcome to your new tool. Congratulations on getting set up on the CRM. We're going to do a quick walk through the CRM to show you guys how to get it set up quickly and easily. Now, the CRM is a user-based tool, so each person on your team is probably going to want to have their own account in here so that you can track things like sales, operations, lead management, those types of things per user or per salesperson you might have on your team. The first thing you're going to want to do when you activate the CRM is come to the App Store and start to activate the tools you think are going to be necessary for your business. Now, this is a very powerful tool with a lot of customizations that come into it. So as you can see here, you have your product management, which is ideas, patents, requirements, items. You have marketing, where you can run targeting, campaigns, CRM insights, direct campaigns, promotions, pricing, loyalty, testimonials. You've got your web presence where you can manage your answers. This is if you want to be able to answer people's questions online, you can do that. Your CRM, which is going to be the most powerful aspect of your tool typically, where you can manage your leads, your work orders, opportunities, customers, contacts, locations, even territory management, sales planning, contracts, cases, all that good stuff. You can even manage your supply chain through the platform, so purchase requisites, move transactions, suppliers, orders, shipping, receipts, sales returns, distributors, distribution, receiving, customer and purchase orders, inventory management. You have your financials, which includes fixed assets, cash management, customer payments, so your customers can actually pay you online through the platform, supplier payments, supplier invoicing, expense reporting, fundraising, sales receipts, invoicing, credit notes, estimates, ledgers, project management. You can manage different projects or stories, projects, tests, timesheets. If you run your business as an attorney or an accountant and you need to manage your timesheets, you can place them in your invoices. You can do that right through the platform. Technology, if you want to build your own custom apps, you can do that in here as well. And human resources, your teams, recruiting, candidates, holidays, departments, all that good stuff. So again, very robust, very powerful technology. The way it's built like this with all your different apps is so you only have to activate what is necessary for your business. So for example, if you're only going to need to run your sales leads through the platform, then all you really need is leads, opportunities, and customers and contacts most likely. So you'll be able to run your lead process through the system very quickly and easily. You might also want to do some expense reporting and invoicing, invoice your customers right through the platform. You can do recurring invoicing if you need to, and maybe your products and then supply chain management. That's maybe all you need. Maybe you want to run some marketing campaigns as well. It's really up to you. You can make this as robust or as simple as you like. Also, when you first get set up, you're going to want to come into your preferences and connect your email address so that when you're sending emails back and forth between you and your customers or your clients, either via your webmail or through the CRM, you can actually connect those and make sure that information is coming back and forth. So you can see here, you input your email, you can set it up on Gmail, Yahoo, GoDaddy, MX Exchange, or just set it up via whatever IMAP system that you might have. Once you do that, again, your emails are shared back and forth as well as your calendar so that you can make sure to keep everything up to date. Now, it's all very customized as well. So if I come to my leads, for example, and I want to walk my leads through different sales cycles, sales channels, I can set all of that up. It also has a great Kanban view, so I can actually walk my leads step by step through my sales process very quickly and easily without having to manage too much, without having to manage lists or anything. So I can see exactly what's coming up. I can report on all of this right in the reporting system, so I can see where my leads are, where my sales team is succeeding, where my sales team may be having challenges, and I can customize it to whatever I need as well. So I can come into my settings, and I can actually come in and create whatever fields, whatever different items that I want to track within my CRM for my customers, for my leads, for my opportunities that I want. So very easy to kind of manage all of that. It also does have the ability to do drip campaigns. So you can come in and actually create a drip campaign where you will send an automated email when somebody signs up on your website, for example, and then a second email 2 days later, maybe they haven't responded. You can remind salespeople to actually follow up with them on an automated basis as well. Really kind of automate your entire sales cycle, your lead system, to get them from step A to conversion. So a nice system to be able to do all of that and make sure that you're managing your sales, managing your customers, and reporting it all very quickly and easily. After you've activated the tool, make sure you also come into our Help Center here by clicking the little question mark there, which will take you into our Help Center. There's a ton of great information in the CRM section about everything you want to do to be able to customize or update or edit your CRM. Also, we do have the option to do custom setups for you for your organization. if you want somebody to come in, work with you to consult on setting up the CRM to the exact specifications you need for your business, we can do that as well. Just submit a request to our team asking for a configuration of your CRM, and somebody will get in contact with you about getting that setup done and what that pricing will look like. Congratulations on the setup of your CRM. Enjoy your new tool.